Hi everyone, this is Pawan Kumar Sadhu. Today I will explain how to start your brand new Angular application. Okay, so to start with your Angular application, there are few prerequisites that are mandatory to start any Angular application. Okay, so first thing you need to have is the Node.js to be installed in your machine. Okay, if you see here, uh, the Node.js, you to install the Node.js, you have to go to nodejs.org, the official site of Node. And if you go here, and you can see here the download button over here, download for Windows, as my machine is Windows. If your machine is iOS or any other operating system, you will have the similar download button over there, and all you have to do is like you just have to click on this button so that your Node.js installer file will be downloaded. Okay, once you have this file available with you, you just have to double click on this installer file. I already have this downloaded. You just open it here. So if you just open this here, the installer file, you start installing the file, all the Node.js related information. So as I have already installed my Node.js, I'm not going to do any step over here. So I'm going to click on cancel button here, but all you have to do is like you just have to click on next and then go to finish. Okay, once you are done with your Node.js installation, excuse me, then you should be to verify that whether the Node.js is installed or not, you can go to command prompt and then you can just click on type node-v. That will give you the version that has been installed to your machine. My current version of Node in my machine is v12.16.1. okay, and when you install this Node, you will also get npm is also installed. npm is nothing but a Node package manager. So if you have worked in any .NET or any Java applications, just like the DLLs or the packages that you will be installing from NuGet packages, similar to that, you will also you should also require few packages to be installed in your Angular application. For that we need the Node package manager. So whenever we install the Node.js file, we will also get the Node package manager by default. Okay, to check the Node npm version, the command is npm-v space -v. When you click on this and then hit enter, you should be able to see the Node package manager version in your machine. Here it is 6.13.4 in my machine. Okay, so now you have your Node and npm available. Okay, so to start with your Angular application, the Angular.io provides one command line interface. With that, you should be able to create a boilerplate complete template of your Angular project. For that, all you have to do is like you have to install the Angular CLI. So if you can just go to this Angular CLI documentation, cli.angular.io, to install your Angular CLI, all you have to do is like you just have to use this npm. As I told you, npm is the Node package manager. So similar to that, Angular CLI is also provided as a package, Node package. So to get this Angular CLI into your machine, all you have to do is you have to install this Angular/CLI using this Node package manager. Let's do that. So to do that, the command to install your Angular CLI is npm install -g. Here -g is like you want to install the Angular CLI for all your machine. Like globally, you want to install this Angular CLI. That is the reason why we are mentioning -g, so that wherever you want to use this CLI commands, you will be able to use this command across your machine. So that is the reason why I am installing with -g, that is globally, okay, and npm install -g @angular/cli. Okay, the moment you hit enter, it will install the Angular CLI package into your machine. Okay, as I already have that in my machine, I'm not going to do that now. Okay, so once you start with your once you are done with your Angular CLI installation, all you have to do is like you just have to verify this whether the Angular CLI is installed or not. To do that, you can verify this Angular CLI whether it is installed or not using ng. Ng is the command for CLI. Okay, Angular CLI. N for Angular, G for ng for Angular CLI. Okay. So here ng space version. If I just type this ng space version, I should be able to see the Angular CLI version in my machine. Okay, it's going to take some time. So see here, you can see the Angular CLI installed, and the version of Angular CLI is 9.0.6, and the node version also it is showing, and also the OS version it is showing. So we do have the Angular CLI also installed in our machine. That's good. Okay, now how do you want to create the application? So you want to start with your Angular application. So for that, all you have to do is like you just have to use one simple command in the Angular CLI, so that you will be able to create your application successfully. Okay, let me go to my folder. So this is my folder, my GitHub. So this is where I create my projects. So like this, you can also have anywhere in your machine. You can choose your own folder, application folder, and there once you choose this application folder, you have to go to this path, whether it is E drive or C drive or anywhere, wherever you want to create the application. Okay, and then once you go to that particular path in the command prompt, all you have to do is ng space new is for new application, and you have to write your application name. My Angular, this is my application name. So I'm just hitting typing ng, that is for Angular CLI, because using Angular CLI only I will be creating the application. So Angular provides this CLI command line interface to create the applications, and it will also provide commands to run your application as well, that we will come to know. Okay, but now all we have to do is like creating the application. So new is the command to create the application, and after new you have to enter the application name or the project name. Here in my case it is my Angular is my project name. So let me hit enter. So if you see here, it is asking me, would you like to add Angular routing? So we will come to know what is Angular routing in a later point of time. So for now I am clicking Y, and it is asking which type of style sheets you want to use. So for now I will go with CSS. So if you want to select any other thing, you can just use the arrow keys. So I am just hitting the down arrow key. So that is the reason why I can see I can go to LESS file, SASS file, and similarly if I go to click on upper arrow, so I can select a different file. So right now I will go with the plain CSS file, and I am hitting enter. Okay, so it will ask you depending on the CLI version, and also it might ask you different questions. So at this point of time it is asking me what style sheets that I am going to use, and also whether I require Angular routing or not. Okay, Angular routing we will explain in a different in future point of time. So but for now you can just click on Y, that is we want to create our routing module in our Angular application. Okay, it is installing all the packages. It will create all the modules and all the basic structure of your Angular application. There we go. So it has been the application has been created now. So I'm going to run this application. Let me check if the application has been created successfully or not. So for that, I will go to this Windows Explorer. I went to this my GitHub folder, and here I could see my Angular application. So all the files I could see, all the src node modules and everything I could see over here. So my application has been created successfully just with one command. Okay, that is the benefit of using Angular Cli. Okay, now we have created our application. Now the part is we have to run the application. How are we going to run the application? Okay, to do that, all we have to do is like we have to go inside of this application folder, which is my Angular. So cd space my Angular. This is the command to go inside of the folder. So now I went to this my application folder, and now all I have to do is typing ngserv. So if I hit type ngserv and then hit enter, so my application will be running successfully. Let's see that. The moment I hit this ngserv command, it started compiling all the modules of my Angular application, and it will compile this all the node modules folder and everything, and it will give me the it will run one server, that is light server, which will run locally, and it will build this all Angular packages that are there in my application, and then it will run the application successfully. Okay, yes, it got compiled successfully. And now if you see here, the Angular Live development server is listening to the host, that is localhost 4200 port. Okay, open your browser and open this localhost 5:4200. So what it is doing internally is it has started its own server, development server, and it is listening to this 4200 port. Okay, let's see what happens if we just type this localhost 4200 in our browser. Okay, I just typed localhost 4200, and if I just hit enter, wow, my application has been running successfully. So if you see here, this is my application. This is the basic template by default which we will be having when we create the application. So we don't need all these things at this point of time. We don't need all these unnecessary things. We will remove this, and we will start with our empty project. That we will do it just now. Okay, let's go to the code where we can do some coding. Okay, I'm stopping this server for now. So we will continue how to edit this code and how to show this hello world, and also how to implement the basic features of the Angular. Okay, that we will be covering as part of the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.